I believe this is your website. Yes. The reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. I'll show it to you now. Here. Now, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Now, I would add your photos here in the gallery if you have photos that you want to add here. Contact details, of course, we do that. And also, if you have any other services that you want to, to add here, and about also the company. Yeah, I would like if this website would be good for you or would be helpful for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Thank you. Talk to you soon.